All right, it's July 1st, it's a Wednesday. I'm down here at the combine. Last night, Grandpa got the combine and the grain cart and everything down to the waterway. The wheat's down there, you can kind of see the gold. I'm just gonna clean the windows off the combine because they're still dirty from fall harvest, and tomorrow we're gonna start harvesting wheat. I'm up here in the hopper of the combine, and these windows right here are the worst. They catch all the dust and they're hard to clean. Windows are all clean. I just made the head go from a flex head to a fixed head, so we just put some bolts in the header, and the header won't flex anymore because we're cutting wheat, so we want it to cut flat. So when we cut soybeans, we want it to ride along the ground. So now we're gonna go get everything set up and test the wheat, see if we're ready to go or not. It's July 2nd, it's a Thursday. I'm gonna drive the truck down now. Wheat are stopped, we're gonna test the wheat and see if it's dry enough, and then we went behind the combine to make sure we were getting all the kernels and had all the settings set right in the combine. Row 4. All right, wheat tested good. We're rolling. Grandpa's gonna unload this into the grain cart. After we get 2 or 3 loads into the grain cart, we will go home, get the semi, and hoping to finish up tonight, and then we'll bale the straw tomorrow. I'm gonna fly my drone. grain cart unhooked. I had to change the PTO on the tractor and hook up to the square baler. Change the PTO from 1,000 to a 540. All right, the straw got rained on. Probably rake it in a couple hours. We'll take the load of wheat to town, and then we will probably rake this and let it dry, and after a while bale it. Just started the truck, air pressure's building up, and then we're gonna head to town and get rid of this load of wheat. Then we'll have to rake the straw and bale it later on tonight.